Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. Let's start today's class with a math puzzle. Are you ready to solve this puzzle? Yes. How many rectangles can you find in this diagram? Once again I am repeating, how many rectangles can you find in this diagram? Yes, good. There are 9 rectangles. This 4 small one A, B, C, D. And the 4 that you get by putting the smaller ones AB, BD, DC and AC. And of course the big one A, B, C, D. Yes, good. In the previous class we have learnt about algebraic fractions. Let us have a small recap. What is an algebraic fraction? Yes, algebraic fraction is a fraction in which numerator or denominator or both have variables with or without constants. What are the types of algebraic fractions? Yes, there are two types of algebraic fractions depending on the type of denominator. The first one, algebraic fractions having integral denominator, and the second one, algebraic fractions having variable denominator. In today's class, we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Based on that, we are going to solve problems. Exercise 17.1, fourth Roman letter. Simplify the following algebraic fractions. So the first question, 7 plus 4m by 6 minus 2m minus 4 by 5 minus m plus 3 by 15. Let us solve this one. So how many terms are given here? Yes, there are 3 different terms. How do we solve this one? What's the first step we have to take? Yes, very good. The first step we have to take is the LCM of 6, 5 and 15. So take the LCM, do it with 5 tables. 6, 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. So now with 3 tables, 2 3s are 6, 1 and 1 3 is 3. Now do it with 2 tables, 1 1 1. So what's the answer? Yes, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So LCM of 6, 5 and 15 is 30. 7 plus 4m by 6 minus 2m minus 4 by 5 minus m plus 3 by 15 is equal to, so write the common denominator, that is your LCM as 30. So here the first term, the denominator is 6. So you should multiply the denominator as well as the numerator by 5 to get the number 30. So 5 times of 7 plus 4m. The second term, the denominator is 5. So you should multiply both the numerator and denominator by 6 to get the number 30. So the second term is minus 6 times of 2m minus 4. So in the third term, the denominator is 15, so you should multiply by 2 to get the number 30, which is equal to minus 2 times of m plus 3. Now multiply this 5 with the terms inside the bracket. 5 sevens are 35 plus 5 fours are 20m. Now multiply this minus 6 with the terms inside the bracket. Minus into plus is minus. 6 twos are 12m. Now minus into minus is plus. 6 fours are 24. Multiply this minus 2 with the terms inside the bracket. Minus into plus is minus 2 into m is 2m. Minus into plus is minus 2 into 3 is 6. Divided by 30. So what is the next step? Yes, we have to simplify. So how do we simplify this one? Now take the terms with the variable. 20m minus 12m. So what's the answer? 20m minus 12m is 8m. 8m minus 2m is 6m. Now simplify the constant terms. 35 plus 24 is 59. 59 minus 6 is plus 53. Divided by 30. So we cannot simplify this one further. So we can stop it here itself. So our answer is 7 plus 4m by 6 minus 2m minus 4 by 5 minus m plus 3 by 15 is equal to 6m plus 53 by 30. Is it clear, children? Yes. Question. 2b minus 4 by 7 minus 3b plus 2 by 3 plus 5b. How do we solve this one? The first term is 2b minus 4 by 7 minus 3b plus 2 by 3 plus 5b. So if the denominator is not given here, you can assume this as 1. So what's the first step? Yes, the first step we have to take the LCM. So what's the LCM of 7, 3, 1? Yes, so these are all prime numbers, so you can multiply and take LCM. 7 3s are 21, 21 into 1 is 21. Which is equal to, here the common denominator is 21. So the first term, the denominator is 7 here. So you should multiply this one by 3, both the numerator as well as the denominator, to get the number 21. So which is equal to 3 times of 2b minus 4. The next term, the denominator is 3. So you should multiply by 7 to get the number 21. So which is equal to minus 7 times of 3b plus 2. So the next term is 1. So you should multiply numerator and denominator by 21. Which is equal to plus 21 times of 5b. Multiply this 3 with the terms inside the bracket. 3 into 2b is 3 2s are 6b, plus into minus is minus 3 4s are 12. Multiply this minus 7 with the terms inside the bracket. Minus into plus is minus. 7 into 3b is 7 3s are 21b. Minus into plus is minus. 7 2s are 14. Multiply this 21 with this 5b plus 21 into 5 is 105b divided by 21. So now we have to simplify this one. 6b minus 21b. When it is in two different signs, you should subtract and write the greater number sign. So difference between 21 and 6 is 15. Here the greater number sign is minus 15b. So here it is plus 105b. So now we have to simplify minus 15b and plus 105b. So when it is in two different signs, you should subtract and write the greater number sign. The difference between 105 and 15 is 90b and the greater number sign is positive here. So this is plus 90b. So you can write here 90b. Now simplify the constant terms, minus 12 and minus 14. So when it is in two same sign, you can add and write the same sign. The sum of 12 and 14 is 26. Here the sign is negative, so you can write it as minus 26 divided by 21. So your answer is 2b minus 4 by 7 minus 3b plus 2 by 3 plus 5b is equal to 90b minus 26 by 21. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.